This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Maritza Kalantar. Welcome home to the gated community of Arbor Greene. This beautiful split floor plan home showcases 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2-car garage, screened-in pool home in the highly sought-after community of the Preserve at Arbor Greene. Enter into the home with its inviting formal living room and dining area. Entertain friends and family while relaxing in the large family room and kitchen. The kitchen features granite countertops, wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, gas stove. Sliding doors open up to the screened lanai and salt water and solar heated pool for hours of outside enjoyment. There is access to an inside bathroom from the lanai, and laundry room is conveniently located inside. The spacious master suite features wood laminate flooring, 2 walk-in closets, and sliding door access to the lanai. Master bathroom has a luxurious garden tub, all newly remolded shower, tile, fixtures, door and glass and his and her sinks. The additional bedrooms are all roomy and spacious with wood laminate flooring. Brand new roof was installed 2020. The community of Arbor Greene offers many amenities including gated entry with 24-hour guard gate, 2 pools, fitness center, tennis and basketball courts, playground, parks and much more. Conveniently located to USF, Moffett Cancer Center, hospitals, including the Veterans Hospital, excellent schools, Flatwoods Park, shopping, restaurants, a short drive to beautiful beaches, easy access to I-75/I-275, and downtown Tampa Bay events. Book your private tour today. For more information, review the details below.